Hello everyone! In this video, we will take a detailed look at the prominent air fryer models from Ninja, Cosori, and Gourmet brands. Now, air frying has become a game changer in the culinary world, allowing us to indulge in our favorite crispy delights with a fraction of the oil traditionally used. It's not just about guilt-free cooking, it's about savoring the flavors while maintaining a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we'll explore the Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer, Cosori Air Fryer Turbo Blaze 6QT, and Gourmet Air Fryer Oven Digital Display 7-quart large air fryer. By the end of this video, we hope to help you make an informed decision on which air fryer might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer. This fantastic device allows you to prepare delicious meals using 75% less oil than traditional frying methods. By using superheated air up to 450 degrees, it cooks food 30% faster, delivering hotter and crispier results with little to no oil for guilt-free fried favorites. The 5.5 QT ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate can accommodate 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. It offers 7 different cooking programs, such as Max Crisp, Air Fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The ceramic basket is dishwasher safe, and this amazing air fryer comes with a 20-recipe book inspired by a chef. Cosori Air Fryer Turbo Blaze 6QT. This device offers 9-in-1 functionality, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, providing versatile options for all your culinary needs. The 5-speed airflow system ensures even cooking, delivering superior results for every meal. Turbo Blaze Air Fryer, with standard DC motors, cooks up to 46% faster than the old Cosori series, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Step-by-step visual instructions make it easy to cook like a pro, even if you're a beginner. Cook foods of all shapes and sizes for a crowd with the spacious 6-quart non-stick basket. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil. The Turbo Blaze Air Fryer minimizes noise levels with a snail shell reflector, and its compact design saves counter space. Gourmet Air Fryer Oven. Digital display 7-quart large air fryer. This 7-quart large basket provides enough space to cook whole meals at once. With 12 one-touch digital presets, this multifunctional electric oven delivers the best results for various items like French fries, wings, fish, bacon, seafood, vegetables, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and keep warm. Fat removal technology in the air fryer basket removes up to 90% of fat during the cooking process, offering guilt-free cooking. Quick and easy cleanup is possible, as air fryer accessories go straight into the dishwasher. This air fryer brings convenience to your kitchen must-haves, making your cooking experience perfect. Thank you for accompanying us as we explore these fantastic air fryers. Remember, each one will impress you with its unique features, so choosing the best one for you might take a little time. Wishing you healthy cooking and enjoyable watching.